This brand new modernized Colonial with classic style and an all-new modern interior is located in Beaverton's desirable Oak Hills neighborhood. Situated on a large corner lot, it's just minutes from Highway 26 with easy access to shopping, schools, and many major employers. From the charming exterior to the quality craftsmanship and remodeled interior, no detail is overlooked. Discover new floors throughout, new LED lighting, brand new windows, new solid hardwood doors, and that's just the beginning. The all-new welcoming kitchen has been completely transformed with quartz countertops, new cabinetry, custom tile backsplash, and brand new KitchenAid appliances. The spacious family room features a new contemporary tile fireplace surround. Upstairs in the oversized primary suite, relax by the wood-burning fireplace, or enjoy your morning coffee on your private, picturesque balcony. The primary bath shines with new cabinetry, quartz countertops, and a custom brand new tiled shower. No expense has been spared. This remodel has never been lived in, so it's all new for you. All bathrooms feature quartz countertops, new cabinetry, and custom tile showers. An entertainer's dream awaits with a large covered back deck with skylights for a true all-seasons outdoor space. It's a private sanctuary with a fenced backyard, raised garden beds, in a setting perfect for relaxation. Discover the best of all worlds, a gorgeous colonial home, beautifully modernized in a fantastic neighborhood. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Lindsay Littlejohn with Premier Property Group.